Guys, DTCuber here, and we got an unboxing of 3 Rubik's Cubes that I ordered on Amazon. So let's get right into it. Hopefully, try not to cut anything inside the box. Alright, so as you can see, right here, we have a ShengShou Megaminx. So this will be my main because I don't have any Megaminxes. And then I have it looks like a mini 3x3, mini Cyclone Boys 3x3. But that's fine because, like, I think might be the same size or a little bit bigger than my MF3. But we'll check in a second. So, let's see. There we go. Ooh, and it comes with some stands as well. That's cool. So we got 2 little stands. That's cool. And then, sorry for the loud noises. Okay, so we got a 2x2, a Cyclone Boys 2x2, which is better than this because this is the original Rubik's brand and it's like hard to finger trick. And then we have a Cyclone Boys 3x3. It could replace my main because I heard that it's good, but it also gets caught a lot. And then I have a ShengShou Megaminx. I'm gonna start with the 2x2 first. We got a little pamphlet on how to solve it. So that's cool. And now let's get into the 2x2. Ooh, there we go. Straight out the box, it's kind of dusty. Alright, so that was first chance. Didn't mean to do that. So out of the box, it's kind of springy, I guess. Like, it might be a little too tight, I would say. That, and I'm just not used to, was it regular 2x2s? Let's do a quick solve on this. I'm not really good at solving 2x2s because I don't know what I did. Oops. But this is a good cube. This definitely is my main. And I messed up again because I'm a little retarded. It is a very loud cube too. And it's very loose. Or, well, I guess it is, but corner cutting. A little bit less than 45 degrees. Reverse corner cut. Alright, so this is a good cube. This is my main. So let's put this to the side and get on to the 3x3. Now the 3x3 looks really, really small. Let me see if I can see how big it is. Doesn't show. Maybe we'll find out, maybe, hopefully. Because I do not know how big it is. Another pamphlet on how to solve it. Alright. So again, dusty. And it isn't boxes that look like get hanged in like stores. But let's get on to first turns. Ooh. No way, bro. This is definitely my main. Yeah, it does get caught a lot. I see what people are talking about. Definitely gets caught a lot. I'm gonna do a quick solve on it real quick. But if you hear, there's a little spring noise. Has a spring. But if anything, I might tighten these or fix the tensions and stuff. Add some lube because it is a little dry and stuff. So do quick solve real quick. Like, and the orange, it's kind of like a weird kind of shade of orange, but I mean, it's fine by me. Like, it's really nice. It's a really good cube coming out of the box. And yeah, I think this is my main now, so I'm kind of glad. But I will be getting more in the future, so this might not be my main for any longer. Yeah, I really like this cube, and I did not mean to do that. And I messed up and cut. So I messed up again. And that's cool to do. This is what happens when you're... Oh my god, this is like... I guess I would say it's kind of too fast for me, because I'm not really used to having like 3x3s like this quick for me. This is a really good cube, especially for budget, and it's like very surprising that it's like this. So oh my god, I keep messing it up. Give me a second, guys. Look at my recording, and I just noticed that I was recording upside down, but that's no biggie. Try not to mess this up again. Now, this is a good cube, but the only thing I don't like is that the spring noise, but I get through it. Let's take a look at the mechanism, if I can take it out. I can't grab it. Hold on, give me a second. Alright, so I can't get some mechanism out, but I saw a couple of it. It looks like a oblong piece, like the edges. So I think it might be sort of like an oblong. But I mean that works for me, but like it's a little unstable, I would say. Yeah, but let's put this to the side, and let's get on to the ShankShao Megaminx. This is something I've wanted for a long time. There you go. You get a pamphlet. I think this teaches you how to solve it, maybe. Or, I don't know. But I've never, ever had a Megaminx And oh my Jesus, this is giant. Alright, out of the box, it's really, really greasy. That's really greasy. So I'm gonna go wipe this off real quick. So I kind of wiped it off. Still kind of greasy, but it'll work. But wow, this is a really smooth. I've never had a Megamink, so I honestly think that it's really smooth. They added lube in it, but they added lube in it, which is kind of cool. So yeah, I got a new one. I don't know how to solve it, but I'm assuming it might be kind of like a 3x3 or something like that. But I don't know. I've never solved one, so yeah, this is really cool. I'm gonna figure out how to solve it maybe. But like, if you look at it, like, I have like little pink dots and stuff like that on it, and then the stickers are poorly placed. So yeah, and then like it just really wants to move. But like when it comes greasy, I don't expect much from a ShengShou to not be greasy. But I mean, I like it. This is my first Megaminx, so this is definitely like my mains. So these three are now my mains. I need to get a 4x4 because I have the original Rubik's brand one, and it's like gets caught way too much. But if you look at it, like when you turn this, like finger trick, it only can do one. I think this one can at least get maybe two. Yeah, I can get two, like a full 180. So hold on, let me this one more time. So I can only get one. But if you look at it from here, I can do a full 180. It gets caught a lot. That's the only big deal I have with this, but it's fine for me, considering that I never really had one of these, so I mean, I'll take it. So yeah, let's get another quick let me just fix this real quick so I can test the corner cutting. Alright, so let's try the corner cutting. Ooh. Reverse corner cutting is decent. It can almost get up to 45 degrees. And this one can get about halfway of the center. So this is definitely my main. The only thing is that spring noise. I might try to fix that later. And then it's kind of like, if you look at this is really loose cube, and then if you look at this, it's kind of not. So I think but it works perfectly. I want to try and get a piece out, but I don't want to break anything. Yeah, I don't want to break anything. And then the 2x2 is really, like, it's really good. Like, I'm really surprised on how good it is. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna practice more with 2x2s and solving it and stuff like that. But anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys want more videos like this, drop a like. And yeah, guys, I'll be posting more. I'm sorry for a late upload, but see you guys.